How to grow bigger testicles, enhance testosterone. Before we begin this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more daily health tips and turn on notifications so you never miss our new video. Now here, the power of big balls. What makes men decide to try to increase testicle size in the first place? Under normal conditions, there is just a certain degree to which increases can be made, after which there is a high likelihood that disease is present. For instance, if you notice the size of your testicles change by 300% over the course of a few weeks, this is a cause for concern, as it is very far from normal and can be an early sign of testicular cancer. That aside, why are men fascinated with the prospect of bigger balls? It has to do with the perception of masculinity in men's health, which, as it turns out, is truer than previously believed. Larger testicles are associated with higher testosterone levels, enhanced fertility. By virtue of higher sperm count, the aura of dominance, more testosterone will in turn result in more DHT success. Risk-taking and confidence are perceived as greater in men with larger testicles. Sexual prowess: men with larger balls most definitely have more sex and wild escapades. Bright: if you are serious about enhancing morning wood and increasing testosterone production, then I highly recommend you check out this free morning wood ebook, which can help you achieve this. What causes small testicles? What exactly causes one's testicles to become small in the first place? For one, genetics will determine to a large extent how big your testicles can become, but that's not to say that it needs to be the ultimate determinant. But besides that, there are several things that you may be doing inadvertently that have an adverse effect on net testicular size. Aren't sure what these may be? Let's check them out. You drink alcohol a lot. While we know that having a busy social life mandates the occasional drink, there is a point of too much alcohol is largely devoid of nutritional benefit, except if you consider a spirit roll in wine, though still not technically a nutrient, and will wreak havoc on your hormonal balance, especially if you are a beer connoisseur. Alcohol, and beer in particular, is highly proestrogenic and suppressive of testosterone production, with the magnitude of effects reflecting the amount of alcohol consumed. So while you may escape with the occasional beer, it is not the best idea to regularly guzzle down a six-pack every night of the week. Diet, nutritional status: what does your diet look like? If you have a VIP loyalty card to Starbucks and McDonald's, chances are your nutrition isn't as complete as you might like to. This could be a major reason why your testicles look stunted. For instance, saturated and monounsaturated fats are most critically involved in the synthesis of testosterone, which takes place in latex cells found within the testes. Higher natural production of testosterone coincides with increased testicular size, which is why men using hormone replacement therapy or coming off anabolic steroids have raisins instead of large avocados. In like manner, the domination of food products that are phyte or xenoestrogens only complicates natural testosterone production even further, as these estrogen-like substances cause natural male hormonal suppression. Deficiency of important minerals such as zinc, selenium, and boron all contribute to impaired testosterone synthesis and in turn smaller testicles. Lack of exercise: not getting an exercise often enough will pave the way for a slow but definite decline in your natural testosterone production, which will manifest as shrinkage of your testicles. The fact of the matter is that if your testes don't need to produce a high amount of testosterone, they will shrink based on the fact that demand is not there. Resistance training weight lifting mandates that hormone production be increased to meet the recuperative demands placed on your body, such as for increased muscle protein synthesis. Frequent ejaculation: ejaculating frequently has shown an association with slightly reducing your risk of prostate cancer, but there are other effects from to frequent ejaculation as well. One of these is diminished testicular size, a result of frequent emptying of seminal fluid. This is why short-term abstinence is associated with greater testicle size and higher testosterone levels. Many professional fighters, such as boxers, practice abstinence or semen retention before a big fight, as it is believed to help with their aggression on the day. It is important to not abstain for too long. However, as semen quality does undergo deterioration, ways to increase testicle size. Now that you've seen the most common contributors to underwhelming testicles, you're much closer to addressing the issue properly. Make sure to apply and take advantage of the following tips if you want to learn how to make your balls bigger. Keep estrogen under control. Controlling the negative impact that estrogen has on male health is one of the things that is firmly within your control, given that you put in the effort to do so. It's not that hard to do, as it is achievable by everyone to reduce your estrogen burden due to following: lose some weight. Body fat serves as estrogen factories in men. The higher the amount of body fat you carry around, the greater the production of estrogen via the action of aromatase, which converts your precious testosterone into the female hormone estrogen. Losing just 10 pounds could lead to significant improvements in testicle size. Eat organic produce and processed foods. Many foods that have undergone processing usually include soy-based products, which are known phytoestrogens or other preservatives that typically exert estrogenic effects. Once consumed, free-range meat and organic fruits and veggies significantly reduce your risk of pseudoestrogenic food consumption, safeguarding the health and size of your family heirlooms. Consume an anti-estrogenic diet. This means including foods such as pomegranates, cruciferous vegetable health, and reduce the burden of estrogens. Ejaculate less frequently. While it is advised that men ejaculate once every 2 to 7 days, porn addiction is very real and causes the compulsive urge to frequently masturbate, sometimes multiple times daily. This, of course, depletes the volume of seminal fluid stored in the testicles, which can increase in size 50% after a short period of abstinence. Testosterone also raises in like fashion, so if you need that extra bit of aggression in the gym or are actively trying to conceive, well-placed acute abstinence is the way to go. Exercise. More exercise is one of the best things you can do to not only increase testicle size but also improve overall male health, since it exerts multiple benefits, helping to reduce body fat, improve muscle mass and testosterone production, and translates to improve blood flow as well. Eat a testosterone-friendly diet. This means foods rich in monounsaturated fats such as avocados and olives, in addition to those that contain saturated fats as well, such as beef. These fats most directly influence testosterone synthesis, which will manifest as larger testicles. Larger testicles are strongly correlated with high normal testosterone production, so go for the gold. Perform testicle massages. Even though most men consider testicle massages some obscure fetish, in reality the technique does have proven benefits on male health and sexuality, such as improving testosterone synthesis and local blood flow. The blood flow benefit is particularly important as men with pre-existing varicocele may experience impaired circulation and, as a result, reduced seminal volume or peak testicle size. Summary: while there is a good chance that you can enhance the size of your testicles modestly if you notice a massive increase in size, something is most likely amiss. It is very important for you to really know that larger testicles may not take your life to the next level as you may expect, but may manifest as simple things like improved energy levels and greater libido. Sometimes small victories leave the most indelible impressions. Bright Sean Ward. For you and other people who are suffering from the testicle size, just feel free to share this list with them and let me see your comments soon. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.